Hi, in this episode of the Beginner's Guide, I continue with another tool, Spray Objects by Sculpting or Painting. First we need to select an object, then grab the tool, and I'll use this first mode here, Spray Copies of the initial selection. I'm going to first adjust some of the settings here, and now I'm going to paint. Then I'll select the second mode here, Spray Clones of the initial selection, and I want to show you the difference between the two modes. I'm going to make sure this original here is selected and select this linear gradient, and you see that as I affected the original, also this affected the clones and the copies are not affected. So this is the difference between the two modes. The original looks like it's not affected because there's a duplicate over it. Now I'm going to select this one more time and use this third mode here, and you see that this created a single path here, and this mode is called Spray Objects in a Single Path. Now I'm going to go back to the first mode, and this width here controls the width of the spray area. I need to have something selected first. You see how this behaves, and you see how this behaves with a large amount of width. Now the next option, amount here, adjust the number of items sprayed per click. So you see with amount of 2, amount of 80, a lot of objects. Now the next option here, rotation, I will need to select a star here to demonstrate this one. You see with 0 rotation the objects are not rotating, and here with a lot of rotation you see that the objects are changing the angle. Now I'm going to undo all this, grab the tool again, and this scale here, variation in the scale of the spray objects. So with no scale, no variation in the scale, with 100 you see how we have variation in the scale of the sprayed objects. Now this one, scatter here, increase the scatter of the sprayed objects. If it's 0, if both focus and scatter are 0, you see what's happening. If focus is 0 but scatter is 100, you see that focus is not working very well. So both need to be 0 if you want to focus on one place all the objects and create some interesting effects. You see what kind of effect this creates. And you see if I increase both of them all the way up. Now I'm going to shift select the other 2 stars here and adjust some of the settings. I'm going to paint. Let's undo this, decrease the amount more. And you see we can get some pretty interesting effects with this tool. So that's the basics of this tool. Like the video, subscribe. Bye for now.